Imagine this. The car in your driveway, the one you've relied on for years, might soon become obsolete, and no one's warning you. Behind closed doors, once great automakers are crumbling, leaving drivers stranded with depreciating assets. Today, we count down the 9 car brands on the brink of collapse. From fading icons to those still clinging to false hope. Stick around, the final entries may shock you. Lincoln, America's forgotten luxury. Lincoln's decline has accelerated beyond recognition in 2025. Among major brands, Lincoln had a higher inventory at 118 days at the end of February 2025, indicating dealers are struggling to move vehicles off lots. This inventory buildup signals deeper problems than just seasonal fluctuations. Lincoln Nautilus sales slipped 6% during Q1 2025, outpaced by Lexus, Mercedes, Audi, Volvo, BMW, Acura, but outselling Genesis, Cadillac, and Infiniti. The brand that once symbolized presidential prestige has lost its way in the luxury segment. Ford's strategic priorities have shifted entirely toward electric trucks and commercial vehicles, leaving Lincoln as an afterthought in corporate planning. The promised electric transformation never materialized with the urgency needed to compete. While competitors like Cadillac launched compelling electric vehicles, Lincoln's EV roadmap remains vague and underfunded. The brand's identity crisis is evident in its product lineup, where rebadged Ford platforms struggle to justify premium pricing. Dealer consolidation continues across the country, creating service deserts for existing owners and further eroding the luxury experience that justified Lincoln's higher prices. Nissan, racing toward financial collapse. Nissan's 2025 situation has evolved from concerning to potentially terminal. The company's financial instability has reached critical levels, with mounting losses forcing aggressive cost-cutting measures that directly impact product development and quality. Among Japanese-affiliated brands, Toyota, Lexus, Honda, Acura, Nissan, and Infiniti were 30, 29, 49, 63, 45, and 60-83 days in stock, respectively. While Nissan's 45-day inventory appears manageable, the underlying fundamentals remain deeply troubling. The failed Honda merger negotiations in 2024 exposed Nissan's desperation and weak negotiating position. Without that strategic partnership, Nissan faces the electric vehicle transition alone, lacking the resources and technology to compete effectively. The brand's core models continue losing market share to better engineered competitors. Manufacturing quality issues persist, and the company's reputation hasn't recovered from the Carlos Ghosn scandal that shattered management credibility. Internal reports suggest the company has limited runway without a major strategic intervention. The ongoing job cuts and plant closures indicate a company in retreat mode rather than growth, making any new Nissan purchase a significant risk for long-term ownership. Chrysler, the one model wonder facing extinction. Chrysler's 2025 reality is stark and undeniable. The brand has essentially become a single-product company, dependent entirely on the Pacifica minivan for survival. Stellantis' U.S. sales fell again in the first quarter of 2025, reflecting broader challenges across the entire portfolio. The Chrysler brand represents one of Stellantis' most vulnerable assets, with no clear recovery strategy visible. The electric airflow SUV cancellation in 2024 eliminated Chrysler's most promising path to relevance in the electric age. Without new products in development and no significant investment from Stellantis, the brand exists purely on life support. The parent company's focus has shifted to more profitable Jeep and Ram brands, leaving Chrysler with minimal resources and attention. Dealer networks continue shrinking, creating service accessibility issues for current owners. The brand's lack of presence in crucial market segments like crossover SUVs and electric vehicles means it has no pathway to attract new customers. For potential buyers, Chrysler represents maximum risk with minimal reward, as the brand's future remains entirely uncertain. Buick, America's invisible luxury brand. Buick's 2025 status in the American market remains precarious despite modest sales improvements. In full year 2024, General Motors, including Chevrolet, GMC, Cadillac, and Buick brands, increased USA sales by 4.3% to 2.7 million vehicles delivered. However, Buick's contribution to this growth was minimal, and the brand continues struggling with fundamental identity and relevance issues. The brand's overwhelming dependence on Chinese market success creates strategic vulnerability for American operations. General Motors allocates resources based on profitability and growth potential, making Buick's American operations increasingly expendable. The promised electric vehicle transformation lacks concrete timelines and specifications, while Cadillac receives prioritized EV investment and development resources. Buick's current SUV lineup fails to differentiate meaningfully from Chevrolet equivalents, offering little value proposition for premium pricing. Marketing presence has virtually disappeared, and younger consumers show no awareness or interest in the brand. The demographic challenge is existential, as traditional Buick buyers age out of the market without replacement customers emerging. Genesis, the luxury experiment that lost momentum. Genesis entered 2025 facing mounting challenges that threaten its viability as a luxury brand. Despite initial promise and critical acclaim, the brand struggles with fundamental market acceptance issues that go beyond typical startup challenges. The lack of dedicated dealership networks continues hampering the luxury experience, with most sales still occurring through Hyundai facilities that dilute premium positioning. Product reliability concerns have emerged in owner forums and automotive publications, undermining the quality reputation essential for luxury brand success. The electric GV60 has failed to generate significant market traction, partly due to pricing that seems disconnected from brand equity and consumer perceptions. Hyundai's resource allocation increasingly favors the more successful Kia brand and mainstream electric vehicle development over Genesis expansion. The luxury segment demands consistent excellence and strong brand heritage, neither of which Genesis has established sufficiently to weather current market headwinds. Sales volume remains insufficient to justify the infrastructure and investment required for standalone luxury brand operations. Infiniti, Nissan's luxury afterthought. Infinity's 2025 situation mirrors its parent company's broader struggles while facing additional luxury market pressures. Infinity were 30, 29, 49, 63, 45, and 83 days in stock, respectively. The 83-day inventory level suggests dealers are struggling significantly with Infiniti sales, indicating deeper demand issues than seasonal patterns. The brand's product portfolio continues shrinking rather than expanding, with model discontinuations outpacing new introductions. Infiniti's consolidation with Nissan dealerships further erodes the luxury experience and brand differentiation that justify premium pricing. The parent company's financial pressures mean Infiniti receives minimal investment in new technology, electric vehicle development, or marketing support. Quality control issues inherited from Nissan manufacturing create reliability concerns that are particularly damaging in the luxury segment. The brand lacks a coherent identity or compelling value proposition compared to established luxury competitors, making market recovery increasingly unlikely without massive restructuring investment that Nissan cannot afford. Suzuki, the brand that quietly disappeared. Suzuki's absence from the American automotive market since 2012 serves as a cautionary tale for current struggling brands. The company's exit demonstrates how quickly market forces can eliminate even established automotive names when they fail to adapt to changing consumer preferences and regulatory requirements. Suzuki's inability to meet emission standards and safety regulations, combined with uncompetitive product offerings, forced a complete market withdrawal. The brand's ongoing global reputation challenges, including emissions testing scandals and regulatory investigations, illustrate how manufacturing controversies can have lasting impact on brand credibility. For American consumers encountering used Suzuki vehicles, the support infrastructure remains limited, with parts availability and service expertise continuing to decline. The automotive graveyard is filled with brands that seemed stable until market conditions shifted rapidly, making Suzuki's fate a relevant warning for current at-risk manufacturers. Jaguar, British luxury in identity crisis. Jaguar's 2025 transformation attempt represents one of the most dramatic brand pivots in automotive history. The decision to discontinue virtually the entire current lineup while transitioning to electric-only luxury vehicles carries enormous risk for brand continuity and customer loyalty. The controversial rebranding effort, including logo changes and marketing campaigns, generated significant negative consumer reaction that damaged brand equity. The planned electric vehicle pricing strategy, starting above $125,000, targets an extremely narrow market segment while abandoning existing customer base preferences and price points. Jaguar's historical reliability challenges and quality control issues create additional skepticism about expensive electric vehicle purchases. The dealership network reduction compounds service accessibility problems for current owners while limiting sales infrastructure for new electric models. Without proven electric vehicle technology or established EV market credibility, Jaguar asks consumers to pay premium prices for unproven products from a brand in transition. Lucid Motors, the electric dream turned nightmare. Lucid Motors entered 2025 facing existential threats that extend far beyond typical startup challenges. The company's financial situation has deteriorated dramatically, with mounting losses and investor confidence collapsing alongside stock price performance. Production challenges that prevented meeting delivery targets have destroyed credibility with customers and investors alike. The leadership instability, including CEO changes, indicates fundamental strategic and operational problems that go beyond normal growing pains. Customer complaints about software reliability, build quality, and service support suggest systemic manufacturing and quality control issues. The company's dependence on Saudi Arabian funding creates geopolitical risks and questions about operational independence. Legal challenges from investors alleging misleading statements about production capabilities could result in further financial drain and management distraction. The electric vehicle startup landscape is littered with companies that promised revolutionary technology but failed to deliver commercially viable products at scale. Although GM, Hyundai, Kia, and Subaru maintained strong sales, they were unable to offset the double-digit % decline of Ford and Stellantis. This market dynamic illustrates how automotive success increasingly concentrates among fewer, stronger brands, while weaker competitors face accelerating decline. For consumers considering vehicles from these at-risk brands, the warnings are clear. Resale values face significant decline risk, service support may disappear, and parts availability could become problematic. The automotive industry's current transformation creates both opportunities and casualties, making brand selection more critical than ever for long-term ownership satisfaction. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.